The Varginha UFO incident involves a series of events in 1996 when various citizens of Varginha, Brazil reported seeing one or more strange creatures and at least one unidentified flying object. Stories in the media claimed that one or more extraterrestrial beings were later captured by the Brazilian military. Here's a fresh new video and photo material of Varginha extraterrestrial being, including autopsy in search. Warning: these images that follow may be disturbing to some people. For more info, please check our website at latest-ufo-sightings.net.